Creating a photo box in Microsoft Word can be done in a few ways depending on whether you want a styled frame or a fixed size placeholder or a simple decorative border. So in this video, I will guide you how to create photo box in MS Word with the developer content control for the templates. If you are creating a form or template where others need to click a box or to add a photo, then enable the developer tab over here. If you don't have developer tabs, you need to right click and customize the ribbon. Go to the customize ribbon and make sure your developer tab should be checked and click OK. So once you click the developer tab, you need to go to the content control picture. Click on that. So this creates a fixed box that says click icon to insert picture. Click on that from a file and select the required picture. Click insert. You can make resize and right click. Go to the picture format and go to the basket. Click line and solid line. If you select the color which you preferred and increase the width and here you need to select the compound type to the double border. You can see that the border is split into double, and here even you can select the dashes. It's up to you. So with this easy way you can easily create photo box in MS Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.